Yung mga influencers na nagpo-promote ng online gambling, they are not winning likes. They are losing trust. Kasi let's be real, akala ng karamihan, especially those content creators, influencers, na kapag may offer, igagrab mo agad. Syempre, sino ba namang hindi masisilaw sa DM na, hey, I'm offering you 6 figures, more or less 200k, 100k, pinakamababa na nga 60k, di ba? Just to promote an online gambling sa mga content mo. Yes, easy money, di ba? Pero hindi nila naiisip na merong malaking kapalit yun. And minsan, hindi lang tiwala yung nawawala sa tao kundi yung buong kredibilidad mo as a personal brand. Lalo na recently, di ba, may binalita na meron ng legal consequences, legal actions against those content creators, influencers na nagpo-promote ng online sugal. And much worse, dahil nga sila yung nagpo-promote, sila yung front, sila yung influencers, ang pinaka naapektuhan dito the most is yung audience nila, yung viewers. Sila yung naeengganyo na mag-try at ma-addict, especially yung mga kabataan ngayon. Akala nila easy money lang buhay. Also, those parents na sad to say nasira yung pamilya, nabaon sa utang, 'di ba? Nang dahil sa online sugal. Nang dahil dito sa careless na nonsense collab. And this is the harsh truth. A viral collab means nothing kung ang kapalit naman nito is yung sarili mong integridad. Kahit pa ilang beses mong sabihin na hindi ko alam, I'm just earning for a living. I wanna get out of this poor lifestyle. Gusto kong iahon yung pamilya ko sa hirap. Di mo pwedeng gawing rason yun. Ignorance won't save your brand. Kasi hindi ka lang nagpo-promote ng basta-bastang product. You are attaching your face, your brand, to a behavior, to an addiction that ruins every family's lives. Kasi isipin mo na lang, tinawag kang influencer for a reason. And dapat, naging influencer ka rin lang din naman, dapat ginamit mo na sa tama. You should have used your influence in an ethical way. Kasi may following ka, may audience ka, may fan base ka na. Every viewers, every audience of yours are rooting for you. Now, everything you say is dahil nga influencer ka, papaniwalaan nila na kapag sinabi mong okay tong sugal, kikita ka dito in just a matter of hours, maglaro ka lang, kikita ka ng 5 to 6 figures, papaniwalaan nila. Kahit pa, alam mo sa sarili mo na hindi talaga guarantee yun at alam mong makakasira sa kanila. 'Di ba? That is not branding. That is exploitation. At meron akong mga kilalang influencers na ganyan. I've been following them. At first, I thought talagang sikap yung kanilang ginawa. Not until nalaman ko na yung mga naimpundar nila is galing sa sugal. Meanwhile, yung audience nila nawala lahat ng naipundar dahil sa influence na